Imagine sending cold emails efficiently and effectively. Meet Woodpecker, your ultimate cold email tool. Woodpecker streamlines your cold email campaigns in one convenient platform. Experience 3 key benefits that set Woodpecker apart. First, it guarantees deliverability, ensuring your emails reach inboxes, not spam. Second, it offers free email verification to avoid invalid addresses. Third, Woodpecker automates sender reputation with warm-up features. Getting started is a breeze. Sign up and integrate Woodpecker into your workflow in just 4 simple steps. Customize your campaigns with personalization that resonates with your prospects. Woodpecker goes beyond just emails. You can add LinkedIn invites, messages, and profile visits to your outreach. Don't just take our word for it. Satisfied users rave about Woodpecker's ability to maintain one-to-one conversations while scaling their outreach efforts. Key takeaways: Woodpecker makes cold emailing easier, enhances deliverability, and saves you time. Ready to transform your outreach strategy? Sign up for a 7-day trial and watch your cold emails succeed like never before. No credit card required.